Welcome to the Mix of Upleys and Friends, and on the mix we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is talking about someone who she refers to as Professor Nuts, and she's saying that she's not afraid of this person, and she's not afraid of anyone else basically on social media. She said it's been a lot of times that she had put a lot of people on social media to tears. Now, she's saying that, basically she's doing her do and she's coming out to play whoever it is that she has to. Now, guys, go ahead and watch the video and see what Maxine has to say about this. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and please ensure that you hit that notification bell so when I post anything, you know about it. And for my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, March 1st, listen, man, have yourselves a super wonderful day. And for the rest of the year, I wish you peace, joy, happiness, and prosperity. And now, for all my lovelies, I'm wishing you a wonderful day today.
Actually, know things and go on with themselves. From when you know hear me, I cause Professor Nuts. Cartoon, you say, and you can't address me neither, because I've never stole nothing from nobody out here in social media. I've never begged anybody anything when me come from my page and beg me $1 and $2, which everybody does. Never tell a lie, and nobody, not one lies. Everybody keeps saying Maxine tell lie here, Maxine tell lie there, and I'm still waiting for that person to come up with the one lie that I told. Still they wait on that person there. Me still they wait on that person to come tell me a which lie me tell upon them. Me no in no argument with none of uno. Not one of uno. Cartoon, you call me name morning, noon, and night. There's not a life that you done that my name is not mentioned in there. I just refuse to come out and answer. There's not even one life that you done that my name is not there. People, if me not turn over here and play me something, me not see nobody. Them have to come here, come watch me and talk about me. Every fucking day. Me no need to chat about none of uno. Me tell uno friend the other day, say one place me arrow there. And I write a 99. That's no more. And me say everybody will come out and call me name, me arrow the pint a 99. It a pint a 99. Me, if you take back words what me say about who, me not take it back about blood clot Dana, what me and Dana in a war. And who me a take it. When this little dirty nasty underprivileged dirty blood clot girl sit down pan people life because she can only go pan people life. There's no picture of her. There's not one mother pussy clot about her. And when she can sit down pan people life, pan flex live and jabongo live and call for me name, where the fuck you went there? Where you went there? If you tell her say a lie, she fi stop it not no go so. Me a know one of them when they walk and sell pussy like a the whole of uno. Me a none of uno no co-worker, none of fucking tall. You understand? So you, me mother, come make me take back the words then when me say about Professor fucking Nuts. Because that's all she got, some fucking nuts she have under her. What nobody no want. Make me come take it back. Make me take it back. Professor Nuts we go suck something. Every blood clot then come out and done a pussy. Come out and done a pussy now. Enough. Come out there. Build a page for your own Professor Nuts. Same like how you broke down Flex page. And so you broke down for Jabongo. Because that uno same when they report Jabongo live. Me don't know who the fuck is Professor Nuts Barbisha. Me don't know. That I should be fucking mindful of. Who the fuck is she? The whole of you sit down here and see what Professor Nuts do with me over Flex and over Jabongo. Tear me down. Tell me how much man me take from Mobile go straight to Kingston to the whole America. Professor Nuts do it. I know nobody else. Professor and the fucking Nuts. And me if you can't take back word what me say about who? Professor Nuts. Why? The whole of you smoke too much, you drink too much, the whole of you fucking mad. You a lunatic. Every one of you pan your blood clot lunatic. Make me take back any pussy clot word what me put on out here. But anybody. Me look like me afraid. You know here say me put everybody fi sit down. You know here say me put everybody fi sit down. Name one blogger pan ya. One me no make sit down and ball like a blood clot baby. Name one of them. You tell me if you take back word. Take back what word? And me I tell lie. And everybody a fucking thief and everybody a this. Come on my girl. Check yourself. Yeah. Professor fucking Nuts. Professor Nuts. You is one dirty stinking blood clot. You pop down Flex page and you pop down Jabongo page. Who no like it, fucking bite it. As so me say. When dirty nasty Professor Nuts, they call me name and they say me fuck from Mobile to ya so. And me walk up your friend this so to this so. And I me walk up your met Dana can this and I me walk up your met Dana can this. And me have a much secret for Dana. And you want Jabongo for people to put out fear or something them and you want Flex put out fear or something them? You really want that that you want to happen? Make Professor and the blood clot Nuts go away. I know season time now for Professor Nuts. It's not season time right now. But who no to? Bumbo clot. Kwa cocoa fly. Me must take back words. Take back what kind of word? Which part of the word me take back? Oh, she fucking ugly and favor for goat. Oh, their head look bad. Me say, look here. One night me dey pan Flex. Sure. And me don't know which one of them if I the fucking nuts or the bungle. Or the seed. Me don't know which one. No know how to operate not even the fucking phone. I think a Professor fucking Nuts. And me say Barbie say you must win the on the live that night there. Flex have to delete the live. Because I could have never know say that the words they come out of that they drank from out. What they talk about people. And look like a so underprivileged dog. Professor Nuts, it blood clot on with me and you, Professor Nuts. Because since you have mother and father, and sister and brother, and cousin and uncle, and in-law out here, Professor Nuts, you is one big old dirty drunk, dirty liar, stinking dog. Every day you come out here in a Dana pussy, a time for you come out of Dana pussy now. Dana pussy want catch some breeze. You want catch some breeze. Make it breeze. Oh, you went the panty, that's why your sister I know so she ugly. Yes! She deleted her profile. Me they tell you the night when time me did it. And then they say me picture show because him turn up right in front of the camera. Head no comb. Fucking head favor brush. Favor brush. Come talk to me now. Come talk to me blood clot nice. Come talk to me nice, Professor and the blood clot nuts. Come talk to me nice. Come talk to me nice. When you say nice, clean, good up 60-year-old girl put out herself out there. No blood clot, makeup or nothing. Come talk to me nice, Professor and the pussy clot nuts. Come talk to me. Drankro. What brought down Flex page and brought down for Jabongo. Jabongo and the whole of them have to block the whole rasa uno. Come here, come talk to me nice, Professor Nuts. Professor Nuts, come here. Professor Nuts, on February 10 me born, me not take order from not even me blood clot mama. Not even me mama. Come here, Professor Nuts. Come here, Professor Nuts. You broke down Flex page. Flex when they do so good. Even though when they under Dana morning, noon and night. But some of the time he play the right thing. Some of the time he don't play the right thing. Because I owner come up with the wrong things them. And the liar story them. And because me never sit down there. And that's the big old lie one when they tell. You look on Flex and tell Black Flex a Flex. As long as she they come over here, not talk nothing about Dana because you know she not gonna say nothing. What no want me to tell you what Dana say? What no want me to tell you say about Dana? What no want to hear? You sit down Panjabongo and you go on with yourself same way. And you chat how me pitney, how me grand pitney. And you go on with yourself dirty, nasty, underprivileged. One no have nothing. You can't fly America, you can't fly England, and you can't fly there to blood clot for me dirty, nasty drunk crow. Dirty AIDS dog. Dirty, nasty, underprivileged drunk crow. Come here. You come here with your AIDS up self. One no man no want you. You look like a drunk crow. Come here. Come talk to me. You want to contact to me? Come talk to me tonight. And tonight me want you contact. Oh dear, why am I talking like this? I sound fucking crazy. She ain't got no fucking page. She ain't even a platform holder. What the fuck me they argue with her? Who know if he beat me, you know? Who know if he hold me and beat me? Coming have no sense. Mrs. Go and go sit down. Mr. Mrs. Slash. AKA Mr. AKA Miss. Go sit down. Go sit down. You have education until you can't have education no more. Dirty AIDS girl, go away. You got AIDS. You got herpes. The one night me see you, you look like you have herpes. I could see it from your mouth. Hmm? You over there, you cuss everybody. Look now. Stacy no do you nothing. You jump past Stacy. Stacy no know you. You not half intelligent like a Stacy. You not half bright and you not bright like Stacy. Me they tell you that. You not bright like a her. You can't sing like a her. You can't dance like a her. Drunk or go away. Nobody no know your picture. Nobody no know your picture, dog shit. Go away. Go away. Go away. Professor Nuts, go away. Professor Nuts, you are liar. I want place for your head there and a hand than a bombo they catch this shit. Go away. You know, see, you know me have to go pray extra hard tonight. Me have to go pray extra hard tonight because of you know. Professor Nuts? Professor Nuts, go away. Go away. Jing bang, go away. You not tan good for woman. You look like a woman while live bad a man yard. You want me put out the screenshot where you want flex when they on the live? You want me put you out for Professor Nuts? You look like a woman for people them who they talk about they have money. You no care about keep no ear in our nice little hairstyle. Go away. Me can't go up on camera morning, noon and night whether me beard or me no beard. Go away. Professor the fucking Nuts, go away. Me nah come out here come argue with not one rasa uno. And none of you can make me take back no blood clot word what me put on out here. Me a liar. Appear like me tell. I don't give a fuck. I don't give one fuck because none of you can prove none of the lie them. Oh, me a liar. Oh, yes. Okay, me a liar. Tell the whole world what me lie with. Tell them. Come out, come tell them. Me if you take back word, take back what? Take back what? Come take back which word? Me a liar than me a thief. Yes, thank you. Thank fucking you. You're who's talking? Professor Nuts? Come here, Professor Nuts. Professor Nuts, let me drink some water. Hold on, Professor Nuts. Me just take 2 insulin. And my mouth is very dry. uno call Professor Nuts to me. What they go on for you since lately, Professor Nuts? Professor Nuts, what the fuck going on for you since lately? Maxine there Jamaica stuck. Maxine there Jamaica can't find ticket for her yard. Maxine there Jamaica cannot find money to buy food. Uno look here people, remember the super chat, remember the Zelle, remember the cash app. Remember the stars, them people. I'm depending on it. You know when somebody I depend on something, me not have one mother ass left in my name. I don't have no money, no nothing at all, people. Me they beg uno some help. Me beg uno some help. No make me go hungry. Uno no want me go hungry cause me will take one placard and go in at the middle of Shamsharp Square. Cause me not have no shame to me game. I will take a placard and I will write uno name pan there and I will call uno out and say me they look some help. Uno better help me out, you know. Uno better help me out, cause of that me I go do. And I go in a Shamsharp Square with a lot of bodyguard, cause uno they send people to go look for me and stuff like that. So me have to be very careful. But I will have a lot of bodyguard and a lot of thugs around me, so they can see what they go on. I will be in the middle of Shamsharp Square with a placard begging like a baby. You know, oh baby pampers want change. And so me go there in a Shamsharp Square they beg. Me must take back words what me say about Professor Nuts. Professor Nuts can come set her ass under me, come set her mouth under me ass. Me say Professor Nuts can come, me say I know me I go, you think me live pandana? You know hear about Cooley Duppy. You know hear about Cooley Duppy. Watch me and Professor Nuts. Hey! Watch me and Professor and the Nuts. Watch me. Watch me. Uno know say when me take set, you know. Uno know say when me take set. Me say me when have one little piece of show, you know, if you come put on tonight, you know. But me say that I stay till a morning. A morning me touch that the one day. Me now mix up with this here. Tomorrow me go to the nice piece of show. Nice piece of show. Yes. Eh? If uno no call people, look uno, Lord Jesus. How will you come tell me tonight, say the woman say sitting about me for doing? What make you come put me in this a mix up here? Eh? What make you make you just go along? Cause me no went eerie, you know, I mean they go eerie, you know. Me never when they go eerie. Because certain people when would that eerie from, me block them from half of my page. So me know when they go eerie. Me no like when big woman left from page to page and page to page. That's Professor Nuts. When me look and see Professor Nuts gonna call Lorraine, fi ask Lorraine, say Jabongo say he want number. When me hear that the part of the tour, me say me raw, so no watch you know. When me fly go over Jabongo, me see Jabongo in her feelings. Me say raw, no poor Jabongo. But Jabongo, me they warn you for a long time. Me they warn you about the serpent, them why na your social media. Me say look what they do to flex and they fly over for your page, but you know they listen to me Jabongo. You look like you know them 2 times they you kinda when they smoke your little spliff, you when they take your little ziggy. And this ziggy fuck up your brain, you know Jabongo. Make call serpents like a them here can come on your platform because you talk very highly intelligent, you know Jabongo. Yeah, man. Me kind of when they like your little vibes. But you tinty up with them a little nastiness so you make command on your page with pure liar story. And that's why the whole of after they run, they apologize to Dana and then same thing there, you know. Because no make them a idiot you come on no page, can't tell you no things one no go so. One no go so. I sit there and I listen every night. And I listen to you and them and I'm like, where did these people come from? Them and 13 they in a competition.